I got my Aero Precision Lahar 30 suppressor finally. Want to do a little unboxing video for you guys. I used Silencer Shop to get this suppressor. I have a whole nother video that I'll link explaining how to use Silencer Shop for the smoothest process. It's like a completely hands-free process, so you have to do hardly any paperwork and they do everything for you. Blitz concurs. All right, here we go. So here it is. This is the Lahar 30. So the 30L is the longer one, and then you got that 30K. I just went with the 30 cal, like mid-range one, and designed, manufactured in the USA. Lahar 30, awesome. All right, here we go. The moment of truth. Okay, here we go. Oof. Multi-caliber, fully auto-rated, fully welded, no minimum barrel length, modular attachment. Fuck yeah. Your ears say thank you. Packaging is actually fairly professional and sleek. Okay, so it looks like we got some stuff, installation instructions. I got a sticker, hell yeah, I fucking love stickers. And some sort of pamphlet with a QR code, and to download the user manual. All right, well, here she is. See if I can center that. Oh man, she's a beauty. Look at that. Aero Precision. Let's see if it'll focus. Maybe not, maybe it won't focus. This is the Lahar 30 cal. And I got the one that comes with a half by 28 for my AR. I also bought this adapter. So this adapter is straight from Aero Precision's website. I would highly recommend not buying anything directly from Aero Precision's website due to the fact that their customer service and support is terrible. They make absolutely amazing products, but I ordered this and it was supposed to get here in like, I think 3 to 5 days, and it ended up taking like 3 weeks. They didn't even contact me. I had to get in touch with them. You can probably figure that out online in forums and stuff. Other people say it is a complete nightmare, and it is. So this is the 5/8 by 24 attachment adapter for this suppressor. I need this for my 6.5 Grindle and my 30-06. So that's what this adapter is for. It's literally the same thing as this. It's just bigger. So this is for my AR-15 5.56. This is for my bigger calibers, like my 6.5 Grindle, 30-06, and things like that. Obviously, anything can fit in this. Any 30 caliber weapon and under can shoot out of this. So let's take a look at the inside. All right. So it looks like we have multiple kind of inward facing baffles in there. That's cool. And then there's a little like notched out section that goes all the way through. I wonder what that's for. And then here's the front. Also comes with some, I guess, wrenches, like to tighten everything down. Yeah, that's cool. And then I will open up the back here, take this adapter off. And yeah, so it's basically just this concaved baffles. There's one every, looks like, it's kind of hard to see, but there's one every like, I don't know, centimeter. So there's probably like 7, 8, there may be like 8 baffles in there. But you have this space, and then it starts the baffles about right here. And you have like 6 to 8 baffles that go all the way down. That's pretty cool. Man, I can't wait to shoot this. I am so stoked to finally have my first suppressor. Hopefully the first of many. I want to start collecting suppressors and NFA items, SBRs, and things like that. I think that's the only thing that comes in the case. So yeah, there she is. Hopefully I'll get a chance soon to go to the range and test this bad boy out, and hopefully be able to make a video about it. But thanks for watching, guys, and let me know if y'all have any recommendations on future videos, and please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.